Listen and practice.
A wonderful story. Who is happy? This story teaches us to not to let go of our happiness by comparing ourselves by someone else. A crow was absolutely satisfied in life, but one day he saw a swan. This swan is so white and I am so black. Crow thought, this swan must be happiest bird in the world. He expressed thoughts to the swan. Actually, the swan replied, I was feeling that I was the happiest bird around until I saw a parrot which has two colors. I now think the parrot is the happiest bird in the creation. The crow then approached the parrot. The parrot explained, I lived very happy life until I saw a peacock. I have only two colors, but the peacock has multiple colors. The crow then visited a peacock in the zoo and saw that hundreds of people had gathered to see him. After the people had left, the crow approached the peacock. Dear peacock, you are so beautiful. Every day, thousands of people come to see you. When people see me, then immediately shoo me away. I think you are the happiest bird on the planet. The peacock replied, I always thought that I was the most beautiful and happy bird on the planet. But because of my beauty, I am entrapped in this zoo. I have examined the zoo very carefully and I have realized that the crow is the only bird not kept in the cage. So for past few days I have been thinking that if I were a crow, I would happily roam everywhere. That's our problem too. We make unnecessary comparison with others and become sad. We don't value what God has given us. This all leads to the various cycle of unhappiness. Value the things God has given us. Learn the secret of being happy and discard the comparison which leads only to unhappiness. Moral of the story: never compare yourself to others. Be happy in what you are and what you have. Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for get more updates.